Welcome to the MutualLink video setup tutorial for EdgeTeam for Android phone and Edge IWS for Android. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up your clients. There is no difference between the setup instructions for an EdgeTeam and Edge IWS. This video provides an example using EdgeTeam done on a Samsung 9 phone running Android version 10. Please reference the minimum requirements for both MutualLink EdgeTeam and Edge IWS. Please note the EdgeTeam client is not supported on Android tablets. Please make sure you have downloaded the MutualLink client and AnyConnect from the Google Play Store. Once both of these are installed, the icons will be displayed on your home screen. Please have on hand the email from your EDM administrator. This provides you with your credentials, your username, password, and the server address for the MutualLink Edge service. The information provided in this setup is for demo purposes only, and you should be using your own credentials when you set up your client. To set up either of the MutualLink clients, tap the appropriate icon on the home screen. You will be prompted with the license agreement. Tap Accept. Both clients will present you with a Setup button. Tap Setup. Enter the credentials provided by your EDM administrator. You should have received an email containing this information. If you have not, please contact MutualLink Customer Support for assistance. Please remember the information in this video is for demonstration purposes only. You should use your own credentials that you have been assigned. The only differences in the setup between the EdgeTeam client and Edge IWS client are their username and the password. These will be different between the two. Once you have added the VPN host URL, tap the back arrow. The Setup button now displays Login. Accept the AnyConnect end user license. Enable external control of AnyConnect. Disable Block Untrusted Servers. Accept the following prompts. You are now ready to use your MutualLink Edge client. If you require additional information, please visit the MutualLink technical documentation page. This is where we post all information and user manuals for our products. This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any issues, please contact MutualLink Technical Support. Thank you.